Not that making the perfect boiled dumpling is of much importance, but come let me share with you how I achieve mine.
Alright, so we're gonna add water. We're going with some salt. We have 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of refined cornmeal, and a pinch of salt in this bowl. I'm gonna have some hot water, not hot, warm water. We just combine the ingredients first, and then we just take water and put some in, and just combine it. Then we go again, because we have a whole heap of loose flour. So we just go again, pour more again, combine it. So I combine the water with the loose flour in the basin. You can't go in a direct measurement because every brand of flour might be different. So just take your time going in and combine. Alright, when most of the loose flour gone from out of the basin, I put on a gloves. Not that I have to put on a gloves, I don't want the flour under my nails, so therefore I'm gonna put on a gloves. Alright? And then we just press everything together just to see how much more water I'm gonna need. For the loose flour in there, might go back in and tip some more water to the loose flour and just combine that. Alright, and then we'll combine everything. Now we have to put in strength in it. So I use my finger, push it over, and then I press the inside of my hand. So push it, press, press, press. Alright? It feels stiff. Normally just dip my hand in the water, sprinkle it over the dough, and just do the same thing. It depends on how you like your dumpling, that's what you need to do. If you like your dumpling stiff, you're gonna need the dough stiff. If you like your dumpling soft, you're gonna need the dough soft. Right? Me like mine in between, so we need my dough in between. And basically, that's it. Right? So I like the feel of this. So that's it. One more thing, guys. If you're not ready to put the dumpling in a pot, get a damp paper towel and just cover it.